Come test drive the 2018 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.